I'm Peter Haddock and I'm here with Komatsu, and the first time anybody's really going to see the brand new PC220LCi Intelligent 3.0 machine control. Jake, you are the sort of technology guru, and basically this is packed full of technology, isn't it? This is really important. But first of all, tell us about the fuel saving.
So fuel saving is up to 25% fuel saving for the previous model, the 210.
Yep.
And I think it's the industry first with that amount.
It's
fuel
huge.
saving, yeah, absolutely.
And the cab's bigger as well, which is always nice.
Yeah, 30% more room in the cab as well. We've upgraded joysticks that you can have 40 plus functionalities on.
Wow. This comes from the factory with a GNSS antenna built in, isn't it? So basically that gives it the smart function.
Built into the body of the machine, don't get removed, can't be removed.
Yeah. So therefore it's integral, and of course that also means warranted as well, doesn't it?
Exactly, yeah. All the technology is warranted by Komatsu itself.
Yeah.
So yeah, there's no third parties involved. We've got all the functionalities you get on the market now and more. As you'll see, you've got the upgraded IMU sensors as well that previously used to be stroke sensors.
Yep.
And then we've got the cables that run all the way down to the end of the dipper arm, where you can actually install your Encon, steel wrist and rotor tilt without putting a full kit on.
Okay, so that means, you remember that joystick moment, folks? That means that those joysticks, you haven't got to replace them as well, have you?
No, they're already ready in the machine.
So this is the tilt rotator from Encon, but like you said, with rotor tilt and steel wrist. But this is now talking about how does this machine work. So there's a button you can press now, Jake, isn't there, that helps you do the trenching and the loading.
There's a lot of functions on this machine. I'll try to remember them all for you. But there's auto swing, which auto swing effectively is when you're using semi-automatics on it, you'll fill your bucket up, and if you've got a designated area to unload, whether it's in the truck or on the ground, just for press of the button, it'll automatically swing round, tip off, and then it'll automatically come round back to line.
Wow, and that is so good, particularly when you're doing lots and lots of loading and general stuff. But equally it works for trenching though, doesn't it?
Exactly, yeah. Trenching, housing footing, drainage, whatever you think. Just helps with fatigue, you see.
Yeah, absolutely.
And one of the other features as well that works hand in hand with that is tractor line. So as the operator's digging his trenches, he's done that full reach. You can actually track steer on his joystick, so without steering, to be fair, he can just go forward or backwards with his tracks, and the GPS will keep it in line, so he hasn't got to worry about skewing his tracks or anything like that.
And again, so that means less track movements, that means less fuel as well. We said it was 25% better, but if you're using less fuel, that's even better, isn't it? Now come and have a look at this bigger cab, folks, and again, operator comfort really important here, but inside here is a new tablet, isn't it? This is what are the brains of the machine, isn't it now? It
is, correct. So you've got your standard screen there for your machine functionalities, which does have your 2D on there. Now you've got your upgraded screen in there, which has got all your payload system on there, your machine control, and obviously you've got your extras on there for your tilt rotators as well.
But folks, what happens, Jake, when we need to be safer on site? Because this has got safety features built in as well, hasn't it?
Correct. It's got a 3D boundary control as well, so you can actually effectively set avoidance zones, so you're avoiding collisions with objects, or you set your parameters, and you can also survey them and put them into the machine control as well.
This ends up being a connected asset as well, doesn't it?
Correct. It's just the industry first. There's nothing like this on the market at the minute, Peter, to be honest.
And so that connectivity helps you do other things, but we're not going to actually be able to talk about that because we've got a man that can. So great to see you here, Jake, and fantastic to see the new machine again being a first here at Hillhead. Cheers.
Cheers.